Hi guys, Jai Hind. My name is Aman Johri. I'm the CEO of an aerospace company here in India. I'm an astronautics engineer and a helicopter pilot by profession as well. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about the inspiration that I had for the O299 portable oxygen can product that we've started rolling out. About same time last year, a few family members of mine were going through COVID, were fighting COVID. And same as this year, last year we had an acute shortage of oxygen cylinders in the country. And that's when I thought that if I can't procure an oxygen cylinder, a full fledged cylinder, what if I could transport the same aerospace grade oxygen that is available to me here in office into smaller cans that could be used for a shorter time and then can be discarded once you're done with it. And then on started the journey of this product. It's been a year. We've received licenses from the Indian Pharmacology and the FDA, and it's considered safe for use for everyone, COVID or non COVID. And it's been designed for ease of use. So the cover here itself can act as a mask. Here, let me show you a demo. Basically, you remove the top cap. This cover basically fits into the nozzle like so and can act as a mask. And it's as simple as you press to breathe. So now I've taken 3 puffs. A normal healthy human lung would breathe 500 milliliters of volumetric air in a single inhalation, which is 21% oxygen, by the way. So in effect, in every inhalation, you breathe about 100 ml, 100 milliliters of volumetric air. In this case, this is 99% pure oxygen, which means that in every breath, you're taking in almost 500 milliliters of just pure oxygen, which not only helps your cells, it helps your organs, it helps your blood. It also helps you recover from conditions faster, whether it's COVID or non-COVID, whether it's anxiety, whether it's blood-related issues, or even if you're just stressed, it helps you relax as well. One of the most common questions that I've been asked is that can it be a replacement for a cylinder? And the simple truth, honest answer is that no, cannot. In no way, shape, or form is this a replacement for an actual oxygen cylinder that a patient might need. Let me show you an example as well. This is an oxygen cylinder. Basically, it's got a regulator, a pressure regulator on top, which controls the exit pressure that comes out of the cylinder, which gives this the endurance that a patient needs. It lasts for a longer time and it gives you continuous flow of oxygen. The O299 can product is not going to give you that. It acts something similar to an asthma pump where you have to press to breathe. Each can is going to give you 400 inhalations. What we recommend is obviously 3 to 5 inhalations every hour, which means the one can last you about 4 to 5 days easily. If it doesn't help you, get out of COVID, at least it will help you buy time by the time that you can actually procure a cylinder for someone who is in real need, someone who's critical. And for patients who are just at home, asymptomatic or symptomatic, just with saturation level problems, this can help you, heal faster. This can definitely help you get some crucial time for your body to heal and develop as you are recovering in your homes. And it's not a new concept. Pure oxygen is being used by athletes and celebrities all around the world for a long time. Just in this case, we give it to you in a can. Aside from the obvious advantage that in just 3 to 5 puffs, my oxygen saturation levels from 85 to 87 can improve all the way to 98 to 99. I like to call this a cherry on the cake that this product is 100% designed, developed, manufactured, tested, and put to market in India. It's 100% make in India product, and I personally am really proud of that fact. The way I see it a little bit differently, is that if you're going to fight, this is definitely not your primary weapon, but it's one of these accessories that's definitely going to help you win the battle. So, well, it helped my family, it helped me, it helped a lot of loved ones come out of danger. I've received thousands of appreciation messages over the past few months, and I really hope that it helps you or helps someone you know as well. Thank you. Jai Hind.